So this is my typical chainsawing or woodworking project today. I'm going to try my hand at taxidermy and clean up this ram skull that I found in the paddock. So I'm pretty sure it's a Merino Ram skull, and as you can see it's been in the paddock quite a while. Most of the soft tissue is gone, but there's still a little bit of stuff remaining, and to get it really clean I'm going to put it in a big pot of boiling water and boil it for an hour. So obviously I don't have a big enough pot to put the whole skull in, so I'm just going to put it half in like that, boil it, pop off a horn and then put the rest in. So that's been boiling for about half an hour now, so I should be able to take the skull out and knock that horn off. Wrong horn came on. Oh. Both off. So I cleaned out my container, put some fresh water in, and then I'm going to add some of this peroxide solution. 50% this stuff is, but I'm going to mix it to about a 3% overall ratio of peroxide to water. I got this product off eBay. I did find peroxide was pretty hard to find, so that's the only place I could get it. So the sheep skull's been in there about 20 minutes, so we'll take it down and have a bit of a look, and then we'll go and give it a pressure wash. Nice and white. So I brought the skull inside and gave it a good blowout with air, compressed air, and then left it in front of a fan for half a day, and it's fully dry now. So I just test fitted the horns and they're a little bit tight, so I'm just going to sand the horn cores a little bit, just so the horns go on a little bit easier, and then I'm going to screw the horns on. So when I was doing the project, I was a little bit worried I wasn't going to be able to get rid of that smell, but the peroxide really does the heavy lifting. You know, it got rid of that smell, it disinfected it, really cleaned it up nice. It has no real smell anymore at all, so you know, very happy with that. I just got to find somewhere to put it now. I don't think the girlfriend's going to let me put it inside the house, so might have to go to the workshop, but that's alright. So thanks for watching.